So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your first app without any coding experience within just 5 to 10 minutes. So for that you have to download Android Studio in which you can make your Android app. So simply open your Android Studio and click on the start a new Android Studio project, and here you have to choose an empty activity. Here is a basic app, so you can start with this and click next. Here you're gonna name application which will show on your device the name of your application. Let's say we give it a first app, and then you have to select the API level from which your device will run. Let it be KitKat and it will run on 95.3 devices. Click on finish. As you click on finish, you your Gradle will start building, and make sure your internet is connected so that it can load all the resources which are required. So our app is syncing here and Gradle is building. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. App building is not a difficult task. You can make app easily just by viewing things. So almost is finished, and our Gradle is built and configured. Run task are almost finished. So now our app will load. The layout will load here. So this is the Java file and this is XML. So it's a basic app, so we don't prefer to change any make changes in our Java file. Let's go to XML part and wait for the build to finish. So as you can see here, we will make it a bit bigger. So simply click on here and let's see, search for the text. So here you can see text. You may write your name or anything here, like my first app, my first Android app. As you can see, it's printed here. So you just need to click on build APK. So our app is almost built, and you can transfer it to your mobile device and install it by clicking on locate. So from here you can rename your app first app.apk. You can copy it and transfer it to your mobile device and simply install it.